The self-enhancement bias is also known as the Lake Wobegon effect. We have a tendency to think we are better than we really are. In other words, a tendency to think that we are smarter, kinder, better looking, etc. Check your homework where you rated yourself on a number of traits. Note the mean that you calculated and circled on top. So once more today, visualize this demo activity step by step, just as if we did it in the classroom. Know that there will likely be a test question on this. You are asked to hand this sheet in anonymously with no names on it, but with the mean on top. I make 3 columns on the whiteboard like this on this slide. So below average, average, and above average. I am doing this to see if the class data demonstrates the self-enhancement effect. So I start making ticks on the board for the means on each sheet of paper, like this. Now, as you can see, we usually end up with 1 maybe in the below average column and 2 or 3 in the average column. But we don't even need to finish because we soon run out of room on the whiteboard under the above average column. This is always a strong demo of the self-enhancement bias. It's actually good news too, because something that is unusual about this bias is that it is good for you. Now, usually biases are dysfunctional because they mess with our ability to accurately predict and understand the world around us. But this one is actually associated with better mental health as long as it is not too extreme. In other words, it is actually good for your mental health to think that you are a little better than you actually are.